Hello English learners, this is Maestro Cersei, and I just wanted to show you how you can log in to EnglishLearners.Club, our new social network. So first you go to the address bar and you type in EnglishLearners.Club. Now, if you are a new member, if you have never been to the website before, you click sign up and you register. If you are a returning member, then you sign in. Okay, so let me make this clear. Again, if this is your first time, you need to register. If this is your second, third, fourth time that you're coming back to this website and you already registered, then you go to the sign-in box. Okay? Now, in my case, I registered with my Google Gmail address, and now I'm going to sign in, because I'm already registered, to Google with my Google account. So I click Google, and I'm already in. Now, what do you see? When you click on dashboard, you see what people have been writing. And there's a getting started section. Here it's crossed out because I already saw it, but you can do these guides, and they give you information on how to navigate through this website. Now, if you want to see who is part of this social network, you click on People. And we can see here there's Maestro Cersei, that's me. There's Med, Alif Dal. And there's Odorico, who actually added his picture. Okay. There's Irina Gladchenko, and she added her picture. Now, David Roberts and Sarah Schuster, don't worry about them because they are actually only computer programs. They're not actual people. So don't worry about David, don't worry about Sarah. But you can see here, it tells you if there are users online, so you can actually chat with who is online. You can also do a Jitsi meet and have a video conference with other people. Spaces are like clubs or discussion topics that you want to start. So if you click on Spaces, we already have 3 clubs. There's the Welcome Space. There is the Let's Practice English Together space. And there's the Let's Be Friends space. So if you click on Let's Be Friends, you can see here there's already a questionnaire to see where you are from, and there's already some posts, and you can post as well. You can type in here and post. Okay, so in the dashboard, it pretty much tells you what's been happening and what other people have been writing. In People, you can see who the people are who are registered, and you can follow them as well. Okay. In Spaces, you can see which clubs they are already formed. And yes, you can create your own club as well, your own space, so that people can join you and have a conversation with you. So obviously you can have messages, people sending messages to each other. You can have messages. I don't have any messages yet. And you can have conversations down here with people who are already online. So I hope to meet you all soon here at English Learners Club or English Learners Social Network, a place where you can make friends and learn English together with other English learners from all over the world. Thank you very much.